Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. My name is Sam Kanenmischer and I'm here in my workshop at Kanen Coffee, and today I'm going to do a meditation with you. And just thinking about loving ourselves. You know, I don't know what you've been going through, but there's always tender spots that need some love. And so let's do that today. And the way we begin is by finding a place that has as few distractions as possible. Just for about 10 minutes here. And find a place where you can be still, either standing still or sitting still. Probably not driving. Driving's not a good idea. And where you can just focus on the meditation, and we'll work with whatever's going on in the mind too. You might have a lot of stuff going through your mind. That's okay. You can still meditate. Even if your whole meditation ends up being thinking those thoughts, we'll try to work with that too. So with that, I invite you to take a deep breath. And exhale. Another deep breath. And exhale. And one more deep breath. And exhale. Now I invite you to continue to focus on your breath. Inhaling and exhaling gently. And if that doesn't work for you, I'm going to give you another option. We're trying to find a single point of focus, which is to notice where your bottom touches the ground, or your seat, or your feet touch the floor. And just focus on that. So focusing on the breath, or focusing on where your seat or feet touch a solid surface. Now, your mind might have just begun to wander, and I just invite, and there's nothing wrong with that in the midst of the meditation, and I just invite you to note what it was wandering on. Maybe it was work, maybe it was something really stressful, maybe it was an emotion like anger, maybe it was a pain in your body. My shoulder hurts a little bit. And just noting that. And if you want, you can join us back with the breathing or the grounding. And if you're just really having a hard time calming down, or you just need a hug, I invite you to wrap your arms around yourself and give yourself a hug. Feeling the warmth of your own body. Maybe you haven't had a good hug in a long time. Now's the time. You need to love yourself. before you can love others. And really, I think it's hard to even receive the love of other people when you don't love yourself. Maybe squeeze a little, not too hard. Squeeze a little. Maybe you remember that inner child, that part of you that feels tender, that goes back way in your history. Just imagine yourself being with that little child, your adult self. And you can tell that child how old you are. And ask them if they want a hug. And if they do, squeeze yourself a little more. And you can tell them, I love you. And I'm here to protect you. And I'm here to give you space to play. Just noticing how that feels in your body. I start to feel a warm spot in my chest and my heart starts to beat. I start to feel my heart beating a little. Feels nice. And maybe you don't get that feeling. Well, that's okay. Just come back to the breath, or the grounding, or the hug. A couple options. Today I'm going to focus on, for myself, the breath and the hug. And if your mind wanders again, nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong. It's completely normal. You can note what it was wandering on or focused on. And you can come back and join us if you want or not. It's completely up to you. And your choice is respected here. I'm going to let go of the hug. Focus on my breath. And I'm feeling pretty resourced right now, so I'm going to direct my love outward a little bit. And you can think of someone you want to love today, or a group of people. I'm imagining loving my employees and my customers. We have a big customer service day today, and I just want to send them lots of love. All of them. And closing out, may you be happy, may you be healthy, truly healthy, may you be safe, and feel the safety in your body. May you be at peace and at ease, and may you feel tender, loving care in your life. May you be well.